If you're looking for a lightweight but powerful PDF editor, SwifDoo PDF is one tool that deserves serious consideration. It supports a wide range of features, from editing text and images, merging and splitting files, to converting PDFs to and from Word, Excel, EPUB, and even image formats. Plus, it comes with a built-in OCR, optical character recognition, so you can turn scanned documents into editable text. One of the standout features of SwifDoo PDF is how flexible the editing modes are. You can edit block, by line, by paragraph, or even by object. It even lets you search and replace text, a surprisingly handy feature if you're going through a long document. When it comes to images, SwifDoo isn't just limited to inserting pictures. You can rotate, resize, or play with transparency. SwifDoo also offers security tools. You can password protect your PDFs, restricting viewing, editing, printing, or copying. And for those who need to sign documents, you can digitally sign with handwritten text or signature images. There's also a cloud option, SwifDoo Cloud, so you can store documents online for access from anywhere. On the usability front, many users praise how lightweight and responsive the app is. It's relatively easy to navigate, even for beginners, and doesn't bog down your system. Users also mention that the OCR performance is amazing, especially for scanned documents like invoices or reports. But SwifDoo isn't without its drawbacks. Some bugs have been reported. For example, switching tools can be a bit clunky, and the UI might feel a little unintuitive at times. Compatibility-wise, it's more optimized for Windows, which makes its Mac version a bit weaker in terms of advanced editing. For trial users, note that you only get 15 days of the full experience. After that, saved PDFs may have a watermark unless you subscribe. License management is another concern. Some users say there's no easy way to manage which device the license is tied to. And while many love its affordability and features, others complain about compatibility with Adobe Acrobat and monthly re-login requirements even for perpetual licenses. For macOS users, SwifDoo PDF is more limited. You can annotate and rotate pages, but full editing, like changing text or images, is not very strong. Some users also raise privacy questions. Mac users report that while SwifDoo PDF works and looks great, options to extract or insert pages can be limited. Verdict: if you mainly work on Windows and want a full-featured PDF editor that's lighter than Adobe Acrobat, SwifDoo PDF is a compelling choice. It offers robust editing, solid OCR, annotating, and security, all at a more affordable price point. But if you need advanced cross-platform support, or want more reliable license management, there may be some trade-offs. If you liked this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more software breakdowns, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future reviews.